In this COVID-19 situation, that means the situation of coronavirus, everyone is locked down in their homes, they are maintaining social distancing, and we are doing well in that this period. If you are thinking this is happened in India with people's concern, then you are wrong. It is because of government forcefully implemented it. That's why we are safe right now. Some of the people thinking that this situation never ever happened, or it is not necessary for India because we are doing well. But if you are not thinking that if we are not maintain it, or if the government not implemented it, then what happens? 41% of the patients raised right now. That means near about 10 lakh people will be affected right now. And then what happens? Everyone will be feared, and some of them are depressed after hearing that India will be affected by, or India was affected by the 10 lakh people. So we are doing well. So there is no harm in implementing something new in our lives. But those people who are not thinking it proper, that means they don't have any power of mind. That's why they are thinking like that. And if you have a power, then you can implement all these things in your life. You can always implement new things in your life. So this is the time where you get lots of time for yourself to implement something new, something out of syllabus in your life. And if you are implementing it today, then you can find that you are just converting yourself. You are making yourself. And when you take the decision to implement it, then you need a continuous education program. And this continuous education program, like Communication Mastery, which was conducted by Rahul Bhatnagar, this type of Communication Mastery type program always gives you positive, and if you are positive in your life every moment, then you always excel positive, and you always make yourselves a better version of yourself. It is possible because of you implemented it in your life. And when your mind is positive, you can do each and everything in this world. Everyone heard about the Dasarath Manji, and his story all known to everyone. What he did? He implemented it. He done a fabulous job in his life, but it needs a implementation. Implementation means the first step. Every time you have to understand it, 1 is greater than 0. That means if you are not implementing in your life, you are every time getting those 0 in your life. And if you are taking the first step in your life, that means you are 1 right now, and 1 is greater than 0. And when you started it, then automatically you get those success in your life. Automatically you get those success. There is no need of anything else. Just implement it and do it for regular basis. Consistency must be there. That means regular basis doing is needed. And if you are not able to do that, then what happens? Nothing gonna change in your life. Think about the Reliance brothers, Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. Everyone know about him, and if Dhirubhai Ambani not implemented in his life, then what happens? Did you know about Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani? Who those Ambani brothers are? Nobody knows about them. That is the power of implementation. So take the decision today and implement in your life. If you are implementing, that means you are going to get the success in your life, and massive success will be happened in your life in near future. So thank you, like me, comment me, to take very good care of yourself. Share my videos, like, comment and share, and thank you for watching my videos.